let's continue to create more curves using this tool. So if you click onto a grid point, go up some, let's go straight, down, up some. Basically you're making these anchor points that is like your tractor beam. Okay. You could choose or choose not to have your fill selected on or off. So if you just want a line, that'll make a line. If you want to make a lot more smoother curve, maybe you select this thing and instead of going straight up, maybe you go in a more diagonal location. So that's 1, 2. So I'll choose 2 right there, and then choose 4 spacing like I did before, and then choose two diagonals, 2 squares in the X direction, maybe 1 in the Y direction, so that you start making a smoother curve. You could change the pitch of all of these, the period, if you want to, and make a different size curves and such, but this will give you an idea of how one might create a different types of curves. And these curves might be used to create more shapes. So like we combined some of these okay, so if you like, you can take all of this stuff and I'm going to get rid of some of these, delete, take these shapes and even combine them. If I want to connect them, I can select, use the select tool and move. If you hit the Alt key, it will copy. Okay, so with that I could, let me move this up a little bit like so, maybe something like that, and then hit the pen tool again, find the anchor point. Oops, Control Z. I said find the anchor point of a new pen segment. Hit the anchor point. So that should have connected all of these together. So if I hit the pen tool again, find the anchor point and select that anchor point, it should automatically connect all of these together. So I could move it all together, and then also I could take this thing and use a fill tool with it. Alright, so that way you could create more symbols and such when you're using, when you want to make symbols or special arrows or something like that on your diagrams, you could do so. Okay, the trick is to make these things look a little bit more animated. That's why I kind of made this part thicker and this part thinner and such.